As we start to move into the second half of 2024, buyers and sellers, are you curious to know the latest housing stats? Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group. I'm here to give you your national market update. According to Realtor.com, mortgage rates are currently pushing a bit upward. However, purchase demand still remains steady. To help buyers with the frustration of uptick in rates, home prices have fallen just a tad in April, with the new median home price down about 1.1% compared to this time last year. We're still seeing an increase in inventory with 13.5% new listings on the market nationally. This increase in inventory is also helping buyers battle the affordability challenges with more properties to choose from to make an offer. Along with the pent-up buyer demand over the last year, there are also pent-up sellers wanting to move. Realtor.com is reporting 80% of the homeowners have been thinking about selling for the last 1 to 3 years. Those that need to sell are no longer holding off. They're listing their homes despite having to move into a higher mortgage rate on their next purchase. In addition, we're starting to see an influx of smaller, lower-priced properties hit the market to help offset the higher-priced homes. In some regions, we are seeing multiple offers and shorter days on market, especially on the West Coast. Overall, the national market continues to remain on a seesaw with its ups and downs, and mortgage rates are still the wild card. If you would like more information on housing data in your local market area, give us a call. Let us help you plan your next big move. I'm Cheryl Folks, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give us a call.